Hello, everybody, and welcome back to English Fiesta.
FiestaEnglish.com.
Yes. Today, we're not talking about the face. We're not talking about the face. We're talking about the body. The body. This is my face. This is my face, my head, but this is my body. Okay? So let's talk about the body. So first, these are my arms. My arms. These things, these are my hands. My hands. And these are my fingers. Fingers. I have 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account. Yeah, in my bank account.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account. Just kidding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. So, with my arms and my hands and my fingers, I can do things. I can clap. Yay, English Fiesta. I can clap. I can pick up. I can pick up things. This is a stick. With my hands, I can break. I can break this stick. With my arms, my hands, and my fingers, I can do a lot of things. This is my leg. My leg. And this is my foot. My foot, or with two, it's feet. Feet. Arms, legs, feet. With my legs and my feet, I can do many things. I can squat. I can kick. I can jump. I can do many things. I can walk. I can jog. I can jog. I can do many things with my arms, hands, fingers, legs, feet. I can fight. I can fight. I can make fist and punch. Or I can kick. I can kick with my fist or my feet. I can fight. Do you want to fight me? Can you beat me in a fight? Maybe. So, one more time. Arms, hands, fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fist, legs, one leg, two legs, one foot, two feet, punches, kicks. hair, nose, lips, ears, eyes. Are you learning? Are you learning English? Learning about the body, the face? I hope so. Keep listening. Keep listening. Keep watching. Keep watching. Keep thinking. Keep thinking. And your English will improve. See you in the next video. Goodbye.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.